Hello, in this video I will show you how to remove and replace the AC condenser on Honda Jazz. We can see the AC condenser is right there, so in order to remove the AC condenser, first we need to remove the front bumper. So now we'll start removing the bolts that hold the front bumper to the mudguard and to the car. There is one bolt just there that holds the front bumper to the wing. And there's another bolt on the other side. Now that we've removed the bolts on the two sides, we can pull out the bumper. Next, here on the front, we need to remove a couple of plastic clips that hold the bumper to this metal plate, and then we can take out the bumper. And that's the front bumper out. Now we have access to the AC condenser. In order to remove the AC condenser, first we need to disconnect the two AC lines. That's one of them. We need to remove this bolt and just pull out the AC line, and the other AC line is on top of the condenser. Next, we remove the bolts that hold the AC condenser to this metal frame. And now we're going to remove the other AC line, which is right there. There is a bolt not holding the AC line. We have to remove it and then pull out the AC line. Now that the AC lines are disconnected, we can pull out the AC condenser. Replacing an installation of the AC condenser is in the reverse order, although don't forget to put about 50 milliliters of AC oil in the condenser before putting it back on the car. And that's it. Thank you for watching.